In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ladder your work to goals in Jira using Atlassian. This process allows you to seamlessly track your work and ensure it aligns with your overarching objectives. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Goals section of Jira. You can find this by looking to the left sidebar of your screen. Once you've clicked on Goals, you'll see an option to Create at the top of the page. Give that button a click, and then you'll want to select Goals from the drop-down menu. Now, it's time to define your goal. Start by giving your goal a name that accurately represents what you're aiming to achieve. It's essential to make this name clear and concise to avoid any confusion later on. Next, you'll need to enter a target date. This is the deadline by which you hope to accomplish this goal, so make sure it's realistic yet ambitious enough to keep you motivated. After setting your target date, enter the owner of the goal. This person will be responsible for overseeing the progress of the goal, so it's crucial that they are committed and reliable. Once you've filled in all these details, click Create to finalize your goal. With your goal created, the next step is to start adding projects that this goal will track. To do this, return to the list of goals and click on the one you've just set up. This will open up a more detailed view of your goal. Here, you'll notice two tabs, Jira and Projects. If you're looking to add specific work items, you'll want to go to the Jira tab. However, if you're interested in tracking entire projects related to your goal, then navigate to the Projects tab. Adding work items or projects is straightforward. Simply click on Add Work Item if you're focusing on tasks, or choose Add Project if you're looking at broader projects. By doing this, you're linking the specific elements crucial to realizing your goal, allowing you to keep an eye on their progress as they align with your larger objectives. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to successfully ladder your work to your goals in Jira. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure that everything you're doing is contributing to the bigger picture. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you stay organized and goal-focused within Jira.